Hello learners, today I'm gonna discuss about the poem of Wordsworth, The Prelude. First of all, let me explain, let me discuss about the poet. William Wordsworth was a major romantic poet based in the Lake District, England. His poems are frequently inspired by the beauty of nature. Wordsworth was born on 7 April 1770 in Cockermouth in northwest England. In 1778, William was sent to Hogshead Grammar School in Lancashire. This separated him from his beloved sister for nearly 9 years. In 1787, he entered St. John's College, Cambridge. It was in this year that he had his first published work, a sonnet, in the European magazine. After graduating from Cambridge, Wordsworth returned to France in 1792. He was fortunate to receive a legacy of $900 from Wesley Calvert to pursue a career in literature. He was able to publish his first collection of poems. He was able to publish his collection of poems in Evening Walk and Descriptive Sketches. That year he was also to meet Samuel Taylor Coleridge in Somerset. They became close friends and collaborated on poetic ideas. They later published a joint work, Lyrical Ballads, 1798, and Wordsworth's greatest work, The Prelude, was initially called by Wordsworth to Coleridge. This period was important for Wordsworth and also the direction of English poetry. With Coleridge, Keats, and Shelley, Wordsworth helped create a much more spontaneous and emotional poetry. It sought to depict the beauty of nature and the quintessential depth of human emotion. Wordsworth died of pleurisy on 23rd April 1850. He was buried in St. Oswald's Church, Grasmere. After his death, his widow Mary published his autobiographical poem to Coleridge under the title The Prelude. So, prelude books are this poem Prelude consists of 14 books. So, we will discuss 14 books summary one by one. Prelude Book 1. In Book 1 and Book 2, we have mainly Wordsworth's childhood and boyhood experiences amid lovely sights and sounds of nature in the Lake District. In them we find the poet's early love of nature and his growing consciousness of this attachment, as well as of its benign influence on his mind and nature. In the beginning, this love was purely animal or sensuous. In Book 1, we find the child deriving great delight from common sports and pastimes like fishing, bathing, bird nesting, bird snaring, skating, kites, kite sailing, expedition in a stolen boat, and knots and crosses and carts. Almost all these pastimes would have take place amidst lovely or sublime surrounding of nature. But even at this age, slowly and almost imperceptibly, the boy's sensuous love of nature began to change into some sort of spiritual or mystical love. Discipline of nature ensued. The best illustration of the discipline of the fear would be found in those wonderful lines describing the poet's expedition in a stolen boat with a guilty conscience. And gradually, our poet, still a boy at school, could commune with the spirit of nature. The first 10 years of the poet's childhood is covered by the first book. During this period, the wisdom and spirit of universe has been intervenient only. The animal happiness of the boy was, as it were, casually solemnized. So, dear learners, we will discuss book second in the later part of the video. Thank you.